Monday, January 6th, and I can hear Peter scraping away at something here. Looks like the floorboard. And they got the front all closed up and installed. And late yesterday here, well, I didn't take a video of it, we got the doors on, and Dad's got the skis out for the 79. We're gonna install the skis here at some point. Well, we got the passenger door on, the rear door on. Everybody's got new hinges here in place. The drivers, yeah, the driver's side door is done. So now the goal is once these skis are on, Dad's got to remove a little bit of paint there or tape there yet. Is move this out, clean it out, and then what we got to do is we got to get this machine pulled out and reversed around. So like I said, Peter's doing some scraping on the floorboards. The blower motor heater's all installed. We showed that yesterday. And what else have you guys accomplished here today?
Took us all day to finish this up.
Okay.
Cut and fit.
Okay. So I know they were working on this yesterday, and there was lots of adjustments having to be done.
Well, first of all, they had to measure through here to put the 2x2s in.
Yeah.
So they're accurate.
Okay.
And then cut all these to fit here.
Okay.
This is on here just to stop the cold air from coming in.
Yeah.
And I put a plate on the top of that hole this morning.
Okay. There we go. And yeah, so it looks like these guys are busy all day with all this stuff. Got the dogs over here having their treats. And so what are you scraping here today, Peter?
Just trying to get this stuff off the floor and put some new stuff on it.
Okay.
Gotta get it down to the bare metal.
Okay. So that's non-stop work there. But these guys will be vacuuming everything up here pretty soon. We got a new filter for the vacuum. Dad says it works fantastic now, not like the one that hadn't been replaced in over 20 years. And but
You didn't happen to get tangled up in a bottle of rum, did you?
no, sorry. We can do that tonight though. I keep forgetting to buy rum. So yeah, that's that, guys. It's gonna be a short one here today because I gotta take my father to town because we gotta pick up one machine at the mechanic shop, and then so that's that.